You want to win federal contracts, but the proposal process can feel overwhelming. The good news is, it doesn't have to be. Today I'm sharing 5 practical tips to help you write stronger, clearer, and more competitive proposals, even if you're just getting started. Welcome to the channel. At Federal Award Consulting, we help businesses break into and succeed in the federal marketplace. If this is helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, or drop your questions below. All right, let's get into it. Tip number 1. Start with the requirement, not your capabilities. One of the biggest beginner mistakes is treating the proposal like a sales pitch. But federal proposals are not about convincing the government that you're great. They're about showing how your business meets their specific requirement as written in the solicitation. Before you write a single word, read the detailed work specification, usually found in Section C of the solicitation. It might be in the form of a statement of work, or a performance work statement, or similar. Ask yourself, what is the agency asking for, and how do we deliver exactly that? This shifts your proposal from "here's what we do" to "here's how we fulfill the requirement you defined." Tip number 2. Follow the instructions exactly. This cannot be stressed enough. Your proposal has to follow the instructions exactly. Government evaluators score based on compliance. If it says 10 pages, submit 10 pages, not 11. If it says PDF format, do not send Word documents. A proposal that does not comply can be rejected without being evaluated at all. Tip number 3. Be clear and specific. Avoid fluff. Federal evaluators are reading dozens of proposals. They don't want vague promises or marketing fluff. They want proof and clarity. Instead of saying, "we provide high-quality service," say, "we respond within 24 hours, maintain a service log, and deliver status updates every 48 hours. Use numbers, timelines, tools, and steps. Specifics demonstrate credibility. Fluff signals uncertainty. Tip number 4. Highlight relevant past performance, even if you're new. You do not need federal past performance to start. You can highlight commercial clients, state and local government projects, subcontracting experience, internal pilots or prototypes. Just describe what you did, for whom, and the outcome or results. For example, we provided monthly maintenance for a 45,000 square foot facility maintaining a 98% on-time service record. That gives evaluators confidence. Okay, tip number 5. Make it easy to score your proposal. Evaluators score proposals based on the evaluation criteria usually listed in Section M of the solicitation. So structure your proposal in the same order as the evaluation criteria and label your sections clearly. If they're scoring technical approach, management approach, past performance, then use those exact headings in that order. Make it easy for them to see that you're compliant. Okay, let's do a quick recap. Number 1, start with the requirement. Number 2, follow the instructions exactly. Number 3, be clear and specific. Number 4, use relevant past performance. And number 5, make it easy to score. These steps alone will instantly improve the strength of your federal proposals. If you'd like support reviewing a proposal or preparing your past performance library, you can find us at Federal Award Consulting. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more federal contracting guidance, and I'll see you in the next video.